Hi, I'm Christian.
Hi, my name is Bart. We're the juniors from the class of 2018. We took the BC Calculus class this year with Mr. Dobner, and we're asked to answer a few questions about this class for students planning to take this class.
So our first question is, what strategies did you use to be successful in this course?
So personally for me, what I found really useful was flashcards. For this class specifically, there's a lot of equations or things that you just need to know. And I found it really useful to have flashcards, go through them really quickly throughout the school day, right before a test. And then also what's useful about that is once you have them done for a specific test, you can use those flashcards later on for a final or the AP test later on. So our next question is, what surprised you the most about this class?
I was really surprised going into it how easy the concepts actually were once you worked through them. At first, I was really skeptical taking the class because many people had told me it's a really hard class, like a lot of the concepts are very different than what you're used to. But once you actually learn it, Mr. Dobner is very good at taking you step by step through it, and then you're able to apply it better. What made it challenging?
For me, something at first when you're introduced to a new topic, it seems really abstract. It just feels like very mechanical work that you're doing that doesn't make a lot of sense. But after a while, once you get into it, you realize there's a lot of applications to it, especially for things like engineering or physics. And it's really cool to see how you start off with something you're completely clueless about, but then you progress through it and see how we can apply it to real life situations. So finally, our last question would be, what advice would you give to students taking the course next year?
The best piece of advice I can give is don't cram the night before the test. I know every teacher is going to tell you that, but it's definitely really, especially in this class, you have to totally conceptualize and learn the concepts. And like Bart said, you can make flashcards just throughout the entire chapter that you're doing. Throughout each lesson, you need to make sure that you're really getting it, and you need to make sure that before you move on to the next lesson, you really understand this one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck in the classes here.